Did you know that your AC unit is probably not running at its optimal performance? Most homeowners are unaware of the necessary maintenance required to keep an AC unit running properly. HVAC units lose efficiency as they get dirty, and as you can imagine, neglected units are more prone to costly breakdowns. Improperly maintained AC units can result in higher energy bills, undue strain on the unit, and expensive repairs. The AC Guy can help. Periodic cleaning of the AC coils will keep the unit running at maximum efficiency. Timely clearing out of the drain line will help avoid breakdowns, flooded ceilings, and other forms of general water damage. By providing regular maintenance, the AC Guy will catch small problems before they become big problems and save you money in the long run. These are just a few of the services the AC Guy can provide to help you maintain a long-lasting, peak-performing HVAC unit. So why wait? Call the AC Guy today.